Okay, so here I made a layer oxides, I think. Nope, my miss and my distress oxides. And then I am taking a heart die cut. It's a hip kit cut file. And what I did is I have this piece here, and then I took the pieces that come out and I used the same colors that I used for my background, and I painted the hearts, and then I glued them back inside versus taking different patterns and layering them behind each and every heart. What I did is I did same concept, but I used the pieces that come out from the center, and I see there I show you here's how they go, and then here's where I realize I believe so I have to leave and come back because I realize I glued the wrong. See, there I realized, oh man, I glued it on wrong. But by then, it was too late to pull it up and salvage it. So I ended up having to throw this one away and recut it because it totally tore. So this goes to show that not always is scrapbooking perfect. And ta-da, here we are. I don't have the hearts glued inside. I just have them placed where they're going to go so I can glue. And here's where I just start to glue. And see, I originally was going to do the mixed media on the background and then lay the hearts down and let the mixed media from the paper show through, but I didn't like it. So I decided to do it this way, and I'm not 100% crazy about it, but I just went with it. And I have a Netgear streaming system in my scrapbook room, and it works fine, but it no longer supports YouTube. It no longer supports Hulu. So the only thing I can watch is Netflix. That's it. I currently subscribe to Boomerang, so because Mateo likes Tom and Jerry, and it has the Smurfs, Scooby-Doo, Foghorn Leghorn. I mean, all of my favorite cartoons that I like to still watch. So it's like $30 a year. So I went ahead and subscribed to that, and I can't get that on my Netgear. I can just get Netflix and Vudu. So that's it. So I'm almost tempted. I really love the Roku stick, so I think I'm going to invest in one for my scrapbook room. And then I have my Netgear as extra. So if one should quit working, because in my bedroom I have Chromecast. In my living room I have Roku stick. In Mateo's room he's got my regular Roku box, which still supports everything. It's still updates, which I like because it's like my Netgear, even my Philips DVD Blu-ray player. I'll never buy another. My Netgear, you can't even buy those. Even if I wanted to buy another Netgear, I can't. I've never even seen them in the stores, so I'm just gonna stick with Roku because that's what I like. I think my ex-husband bought me I'm pretty sure he bought me the Netgear for Christmas or my birthday or something for my scrapbook room. But anyway, so I'm going to invest in that so I can watch something other than Netflix. Because at least with the Roku stick, I can, with my Allcast, I can play videos from Showbox and stuff. On there. Okay, anyway, so the black and white layer is crepe paper, good vibes, you rock. The yellow leaf print is Kim Hutchinson, Sweet Nothings. The blue polka dot is Fiesta Vibes by Kim Watson and Kimberly Hutchinson, called Blue Polka. And my journaling card that I'm using, that is a Project Life add-on kit. And my die cuts are Pink Fresh Studio Let Your Heart Decide. Oh, this is my first layout using the February kit. And Family Fun is with hearts are American Crafts dance stickers. And so I'm using, and that's the Family Fun are the American Crafts dance stickers that came in the kit. And when I get that done, that completes the layout. So when I have more completed, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you could subscribe so I can get my 1,000 subscribers so I can be monetized again, I'd totally appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.